Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Pharma Ki Pathshala. Be a Pharma Pro. Today's topic we are going to discuss about the parts of rapid mixer granulator. So let's get started. So let's start with the first. What is the working principle of RMG, rapid mixer granulator? RMG works on the principle of rising, swirling and tumbling motion of the particulate matter. Next is what is the material of construction of RMG? Material of construction of RMG is SS316. The product contact part is made of SS316, and please note that is a material non-contact part of this RMG is made of SS304. Okay. Next is what are the parts of RMG? First is the mixing bowl. Second, impeller blade, chopper blade, liquid binder inlet port, pneumatic system, discharge port, filter unit, sampling port, view panel, human monitoring interface, that is HMI, or the control panel. Last is the wet meal attached with the RMG or the co-meal attached with the RMG. We have a picture of a rapid mixer granulator, how it looks. So you can have a total view of the RMG. This is the HMI unit. Just the This is the HMI unit. Here this is the mixing bowl, the filter units, the binder liquid inlet port. This is the co-meal attached with it. Here is the discharge port. From this co-meal, the material will be collected in the FP mixing bowl. So let's go and see in detail how the parts of RMG looks one by one. Let's see. Let's get started. The first one is the mixing bowl. We have a picture of a mixing bowl over here. This is the inside part of the mixing bowl, how it looks. The bowl is constructed from SS stainless steel 316L. It is placed where the mixing of powder takes place. This is the part where the mixing of powder takes place. Hope you have a view how the mixing bowl from inside it looks. Next is the parts of RMG, which includes impeller blade, chopper blade. These are the impeller blade. Impeller blades are fixed at the bottom of the dome-shaped stainless steel bowl. Impeller blades are responsible for mixing and breaking of granule mass. These are the impeller blades. Next is the chopper blade. Here you can see U-shaped blade which is provided with the edge to assist the breaking of lumps. So it is always inserted horizontally to the wall of the bowl. Okay, this is inserted horizontally to the wall of the bowl. It is used for assisting of blending of powders and to break the product to granules of required size. So you have the impeller blades and the chopper blades. Next is a discharge port. This is the same picture from the previous slide. Here you can see a opening. These are the discharge port. This is the discharge port. So discharge port are connected horizontally at the lower part of the RMG. Discharge port is operated automatically with the help of pneumatic pump. Okay, the material after granulation is completed, the discharge port is opened automatically through a pneumatic pump, and the powder flows from this discharge port and it passes to the co-meal and is get collected in the mix FB bowl. So this is the inside part of the discharge uh, port, how it looks. Another one, we have a picture of a outside part of discharge port, how it looks. It flows through the powder flows through this panel over here, opening over here. Okay. Next is the liquid binder inlet port. Liquid binder inlet port you can see binder solution is added to the powder through this ports over here. It may be a nozzle form. A range of nozzles are available to give optimum binder liquid droplet size for an even distribution throughout the powder. And secondly, a pump may be used. The binding solution required for granulation may be pumped into mixing bowl using a mechanical peristaltic pump to deliver the binder liquid to the spray nozzle. Okay, this is the liquid binder inlet port. Next is the filter unit. Here we have the filter unit over here. So filter units are placed with a vent filter to remove purging of air and to retain the granules inside. Purging air is supplied below from the impeller to prevent stickiness in the granules to the impeller blade and also to help to prevent contamination. This purging air is supplied from the bottom of the impeller blades to avoid stickiness, and that air is removed through this vent filter. The complete working principle all of the RMG will be discussed in the next video. So next part is the view panel and the sampling port. The view panel over here, you can see how it is with a glass panel. So you can see how the granulation takes place inside the mixing bowl. So, and there is a sampling port also to remove samples for test during for granulation stage. Okay, this is the view panel and sampling flow port. Next is the HMI human monitoring interface. This is the HMI, how it looks. HMI or the control panel are used to control the speed of impeller or chopper blade. The other process parameters like temperature, time is monitored through this HMI. So it is designed to ensure that granulation process is carried out efficiently and consistently. So this is the human monitoring interface, HMI. Next is the core mill attached to the RMG. Here there is a picture of the core mill attached to the RMG. It is here there is a discharge port through which the material will be passed through the core mill over here, and the granules which are formed which pass to the core mill are collected in the FP bowl through this port. So you have a picture over here how the core mill looks like when attached to the granulator. So it the lumps are converted into granules through passing through the core mill. So for complete video of how working principle of RMG, so please stay tuned for the working principle of RMG in my next video. Thank you for watching my channel, and for such more informative videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.